Rain expressed that he feels happiest when his two daughters sleep beside him on king-sized beds at home, with each daughter on one side, stating that nothing could make him envious. He values his daughters above all else, confessing that they are everything to him with a fatherly smile. Rain also talked about a conversation with his wife, Kim Tae-hee, where she prioritized saving their daughters over him in a dangerous situation, to which Rain responded that he would save her first. Rain emphasized the importance of making his wife feel valued, understanding her priorities as a mother.